Today I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter on an R50 Pathfinder. It's a good idea to do this every 2 years for preventative maintenance or if you notice any lag while accelerating. First, you want to open the fuse box under the steering wheel and using needle nose pliers, remove the one that says fuel pump. On mine it's the fourth one down on the second row. Then you want to try to start the engine a few times to release any pressure on the fuel line. Next, you want to remove your spare tire under the vehicle if you have one and locate the fuel filter above your rear differential. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the hose clamps on either side of the filter and pull them back a bit so you have room to remove the fuel lines. You really have to pull on these suckers to get them loose, so if you have those fancy hose removing pliers, you can use those, but I just used a flathead screwdriver. It's also a good idea to have a plastic cup handy to catch any fuel that will leak out. It doesn't really matter which side you remove first, just make sure you replace everything the same way you found it, with the arrow on the filter pointing towards the passenger side of the vehicle. Also, I found it's easier if you don't loosen the filter clamp until after you removed the fuel lines, but you can do this however you want. By the way, it's a 10mm socket to loosen it. Here you can see me using the flathead screwdriver to pry away the fuel line from the filter. Now just remove the old filter, put the new filter in the clamp, and reattach the fuel lines. Once you have the new filter in place, just tighten everything back down and you're done. Also, don't forget to replace the fuse you removed. Here you can see the debris that was in my filter after 2 years. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.